Reaction tonight from the National Association of Resource Officers following our story on ACLU's investigation on the effectiveness of SROs in schools. School resource officers are meant to help keep students safe, but ACLU claims there is evidence that may not be the case. Our Greg Hughes reports.
The American Civil Liberties Union of Iowa launched an initiative to see if having police officers in schools helps students. Their research says schools with on-campus law enforcement are 118% more likely to record property crimes than those that don't. Schools that use officers primarily for student discipline and crime response report 91% more non-serious crimes, property crimes, and instances of disorderly conduct.
The fact of the matter is that there is no study that demonstrates that having these police officers embedded in the schools, walking the halls in high schools, middle schools, even elementary schools with a gun at their side keeps students more safe. What is demonstrated, and studies bear out, that when you have these police officers in schools, there are more recordings, more records of student thefts, scuffles, things like that.
Fowler went on to say SROs many times escalate situations from students that aren't necessarily dangerous behavior. The officer often takes these situations and sends it to juvenile court that could lead to a student receiving a record that can follow them for a lifetime. The National Association of Resource Officers are aware of these claims, but believe what they do within schools play a more vital role beyond what numbers can see.
There can be reports reviewed, there can be court records reviewed. When it comes to building positive relationships, there's no number to that. You would never be able to know how much we may stop, prevent, intervene just because we're on that campus and we're building those positive relationships with those young people.
Revels says being an SRO isn't just being a police officer. It's important to make students feel they are trusting, approachable, and safe. She spoke on the relationship she and other SROs have with students when they are patrolling.
Even today, when I walk through any of my schools, the kids will come up and they will give you fist bumps, they will give you high fives, they will give you side hugs because they are glad that you are there.
Reporting for Tri-State Trusted News, I'm Greg Hughes.